So one of the questions I get asked is how accurate are the Glock 40 caliber to 9mm conversion barrels? Does it have any impact on practical accuracy? So this is a stock Glock 22 Gen 3 with a Lone Wolf, Alpha Wolf 40 to 9mm conversion barrel. This is about 18 yards. Let's see how we do. I haven't shot for about 3 weeks. Works okay. One miss. That's definitely me. So they work well enough for my purposes. This is the same gun with the 40 caliber factory barrel. Two misses with that, so take that for what it's worth. One miss with the Alpha Wolf 9mm and two misses with the factory 40 caliber. All right, just for fun, let's do some offhand shooting at paper with the factory 40 caliber barrel. Was that 10 yards? I was aiming here. So let's try the 9. All right, now let's try the Alpha Wolf 40 to 9mm conversion barrel. Same distance. I think I pulled that one low right. I'll have to see. Looks okay. So I was aiming here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks about the same. Let's measure them. So from a practical standpoint, it can be argued that there is no difference. The groups are actually better with the 9. This is only, I've only shot one group and it's offhand, so it doesn't mean really anything, but it's about 1.3. With the 9mm and about 2 inches with the 40. So, and they're not a significant point of impact shift. The 9 hits a little bit higher. Maybe a tad bit more to the left at 10 yards. But as you can see with the 18-yard steel, no practical difference.